Hi guys, it's Zoe here, and today I'm going to be baking a lemon cake because it's my mom's birthday tomorrow. So I'm going to surprise her, and it's my first time baking, so let's see it's a yay or nay. So I'm preparing the ingredients now. We have butter, sugar, and then me and my sister, we don't really know how to do this lemon zest, so she's helping me out. And then we have the flour, the eggs. My sister took over because I'm not doing a good job, she said. I don't know if I'm doing a right job or a wrong job. I'm following the recipe, but then I don't know why. I think it's okay now, like after a few rounds of whisking.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation,
One more.
not very good with people. If
Yay.
you don't start a conversation, have one. Have
Oh no, it's leaking.
If you don't start a conversation,
Yay, my mom come and help me transfer into another one that wouldn't leak.
have one.
This is the part where I hate most. I need to wash everything. So I just finished washing everything and also putting the cake into the oven. I don't know, I'm scared that it's not success, but then I think it's okay. So we'll just wait and see
Start a conversation.
what happens. Bye! Wow! It's about to be done! 10 more minutes. We're making the icing. Yay, it's done! Let's check.
If you don't start a conversation,
Yay, it's done! It smells really good. We're letting it to cool down first and then we can put the icing. Wow! Look at this. We're decorating the cake. Hi guys! So I just finished designing the cake and I put it in the fridge, so tomorrow when we take it out for dinner, I will
if you
show
don't
you
start a
guys.
conversation,
Hi! So we just finished our dinner and now we are going to try the
start a
cake.
conversation.
And my mom's friend bought her another cake. She's like super tall and mine is just like this. It's uncooked!
Yeah, it's not cold.
It's not cooked. Is it nice, Dave? Is it nice, me?
Good. Uncooked, but good.
So we're finished with dinner and I don't know if it's a fail or a success in the cake, but it's actually really nice. Like really it smells great. It's just not very cold. So yeah, I mean it's okay. And that's all for my baking video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like and follow CPS for more videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!